Oh yes, do the job right and proper.
Totally agree.
Totally agree.
Totally agree.
No messing about.
What are we doing at the moment? Window switch.
Yeah, window switch. We just done window switch. We're just gonna do windscreen now. Huh?
Has it been
Hey.
Good.
Oh, all right. Now the switch has been replaced. Where's the brother's key? Right. Oi. As you can see,
yes.
all in what you call it, working order.
Working order.
But that's it.
100% guarantee.
I don't want to do it too much, you know.
You
Don't want to waste the
break.
brother's petrol.
Don't waste the petrol. To
Oh, what?
oops, it's got a mind of its own.
No, yeah, I just see.
Oh, you just touched it.
Gun very sensitive, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the one satisfied job.
Once that job's done,
I'm satisfied with that one.
very good. And just the windscreen now. Windscreen is changing. Hey, yo, AJ. And this is AJ's 25 recovery.